So I'm one of our project managers and the integration lead. So project managing is all about working out what do we need to do next, when do we need to do it, who needs to do that, and having a clear plan in place and keeping everything progressing. On the integration side, it's working across electronics and software to make sure everything works together seamlessly. And a key way to achieve that is by having a structured process in place. And that's one of the big reasons why we're here today at Hallmark and EES Solution, to take some of the expert help and really help us get a good process in place going forward. I chose to join the Warwick Fighting Robots project for two main reasons. First is I grew up watching the Robot Wars TV show, as I'm sure many of you had. It's very exciting and I wanted to work on something similar to that. And secondly, is I wanted to do a project where we actually build and deliver something within the year. Many projects are theoretical, which is good as well, but I was keen to put my hands to work and actually deliver something. So the favourite moment working on the project has to be our recent competition, first fighting robot competition for the Warwick team. We went in just so happy to even be there. And then we ended up winning our first round against a very experienced roboteer, and then coming 9 out of 18 contestants in the whole competition, which was an amazing achievement. So much energy and passion from the whole team, and really happy to be a part of it. I'm really excited to integrate some advanced sensors to have some autonomy to really give us that fighting edge against our competitors, and also showcase some innovation from the university and our sponsors.